Bruce, we are in Lakeway, Texas. How about it? Where are we going?
We are going to see Ashley with Love and Cookies, and we're going to get a chance to meet her lovely family. But you know what we're doing it in?
In what?
This nice 2024 Toyota Tundra. Oh!
Ashley's story comes from a place of love and with her family, and particularly her son, who was dealing with a health issue. And all he wanted to do when he got home from treatment was bake cookies with his mom. And you know what Ashley says, which I think is great?
What does she say?
Life is what you bake it.
Can you smell it?
I can smell it. Hi guys, welcome to Love and Cookies. Guys, this is my friend Diana. She just came to pick up some cookies today. Diana was one of the partners at my local H-E-B who helped me buy butter from H-E-B. And then lo and behold, as we became friends, we started sharing stories. And you know, my son was diagnosed with Kawasaki's disease when he was 5, and Diana's son also had Kawasaki's disease when he was 5 months old. And so through our journey, we just became friends.
It all started over butter. It's continued really just because of Ashley and the love of her and her family and what she does.
Tell me about a little bit of the changes that's transpired because of your situations that's now become to the forefront as far as Kawasaki's disease and how you guys have impacted communities and made more people aware.
We are proud supporters of the Kawasaki Kids Foundation on a national level. And then we host a golf tournament every year to benefit.
Wait. Did you say golf?
I did. 4.
Okay.
If we can advocate for these kids because it's hard to diagnose, then we know that we're potentially saving one more child's heart. And at the end of the day, if we can just save one more, I think that's what it's all about. I thought we could keep with making of the OG cookie.
Let's
do it. Which is the chocolate chip. Hey. The cookie that started it all, right? I got butter and sugar here that needs to get mixed.
Look here, watch this, everybody.
And one.
We use real organic European butter, unbleached flours, pure sugar, Vital Farm eggs, real vanilla, no preservatives whatsoever, and all of our chocolate is fair trade. They want to see just how easy it is that we can bake cookies at home. So do you think you guys can show them? Each of you put 4 dough balls out on the plate.
Can I just eat the dough balls?
No. What's your favorite flavor?
Probably the Charlie Cash.
Probably the Charlie Cash.
We're gonna pop those in the oven. 16 minutes.
We're in your home, and it sounds like this entire business started in your home. So tell us a little bit about how Love and Cookies came to be.
So when Charlie was 5 years old, he got really sick. Had about 104, 105 fever for almost 10 days. Over the course of this 10-day fever, he had all these different symptoms. Initially, he was misdiagnosed. So I went to my town local pediatrician, who's a friend of mine from high school. And he goes, Ashley, please go get an echo because all they can do is tell you it's normal. And I'm at the hospital with Charlie getting this echo done. The doctor comes in and says, essentially, he was trying to go into mild heart failure. And he was treated with IVIG for about 2.5 days. When he got up that next morning after flying home, he said, I just want to bake cookies with mommy.
Tell me about going through Quest and winning and what that process was like after.
H-E-B's Quest for Texas Best is a life-changing experience. I mean, it changed our life for sure. So we applied in April of 2022. And we were a top 10 finalist till the end of June. And then we competed against the other top 10 finalists in August of 2022, and we wound up winning first place. To have a company like H-E-B believe in us, believe in our product, and believe in our mission, what we're set out to do, and support us in that is just unbelievable that they would choose us.
This is what Ashley's meant to do. I mean, she is her very best self and just on fire and loving building the business. And it's had a positive impact on the family and the kids. And for a lot of our marriage and the early time of our family, it was Ashley supporting me. And now it's time for her. It really is. And so, you know, it's amazing.
You guys are encouraging so many people, but that's exactly what H-E-B is all about. It's about celebrating individuals and others and making the most out of certain situations that others would possibly run from. So kudos to you all. And I'm not just saying that because you're a great cook. I'm not saying that because you're a great cook.